friends, welcome back to Miss Ocasio Reads. I'm Miss Ocasio and I'm so excited to read with you today. Did you know that feeling angry or upset is, well, normal? Only it doesn't feel very good, does it? It's important to know what calming strategies work best for you. Today's story was specially mailed by the author herself. Thank you so much, Dr. Melissa Monroe Boyd, not only for sharing your story with Miss Ocasio Reads, but for helping the world to find peace. Today we'll read about lots of different ways to calm down when feeling upset. But first, B is for Breathe, the ABCs of Coping with Fussy and Frustrated Feelings by Dr. Melissa Monroe Boyd. A is for Art, draw or paint to help express emotions. B is for Breathe. Breathe slowly, taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathing out through your mouth. C is for Count to 10. Slowly count to 10 while thinking about feeling calm. D is for Dance. Express pleasure through motion. E is for Eat a healthy snack. Good food choices are healthy for the mind and body. F is for Fun with a friend. Enjoy an activity with a friend, like playing a game. G is for Create a glitter jar or another craft. Use water, glitter, glue, food coloring. Make, shake, watch, and relax as glitter settles. H is for Hug a trusted person. A caring hug from a trusted family or friend is comforting. I is for Imagine, a favorite place. Imagine your favorite calm and relaxing place in your mind, such as a beach. J is for Tell jokes. Laughing and telling jokes helps to relax. K is for Kick a ball and play other sports. Physical activity relieves stress and builds self-esteem. L is for Listen to music. Listen to a favorite song, ocean waves, waterfalls, or birds. M is for Muscle relaxation. Slowly tense and then relax each muscle group, face, hands, arms, stomach, legs, and feet. N is for Nature walk. Enjoy walking while focusing on senses and nature around you. O is for Organize and clean up toys. Cleaning up and clearing out clutter is calming. P is for Pray. Prayer can help bring peace to your mind and body. Q is for Quiet time. Enjoy the quiet and focus attention on the present. R is for Read. Reading relaxes your mind. S is for Positive self-statements. Positive self-talk helps to boost feelings and self-esteem. T is for Talk about feelings. Share feelings and talk with a trusted person to help feel better. U is for Unplug electronics. Take a break from electronics to relax the mind. V is for Create a vision board. Create pictures and words to express feelings and think of future goals. W is for Write about feelings. Journal to express emotions, communicate feelings, and solve problems. X is for Play the xylophone and other musical instruments. Enjoy playing a musical instrument that is joyful and fun. Y is for Yoga. Yoga relaxes the mind and releases tension in the body. Z is for Z's. Sleep. Get good rest and take a break to help relax emotions. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story, and remember, there are lots of different ways to calm down. Which way works best for you? See you next time. Thanks for joining me today for Miss Ocasio Reads. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your teachers and friends. Subscribe to read more stories with me. Thanks for watching.